It was a big mistake to miss the interview. Rebecca decided to return early from her trip to the Royal Farm. Hello, my name is Garrison. I'm a coach here at Language Academia. I specialise in British regional and Irish accents. I'm going to show you 5 quick and easy steps to learning the Northern Ireland or Northern Irish accent.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Hola.
We are Language Academia.
Now remember that accents for film and TV are usually a bit more generalised and simplified. Step 1. D sound. In a Northern Irish accent, the D sound is much more pronounced or harder compared to other accents. It gives the speech a very distinct and sharp edge. At the same time though, this D sound almost comes across as a J. Words like drink and direct show this crisp D sound, but being pronounced in the Northern Irish accent, it would sound more like drink or direct, which give it that very crisp J sound. For example, drink, idiot, direct. In Northern Irish accent, it comes across like drink, idiot, and direct. For example, David decided to drive downtown today. In Northern Irish accent, it would come across like David decided to drive downtown today. Danny dreamed of doing something daring. In Northern Ireland accent, it comes across like Danny dreamed of doing something daring. Step 2. Flat I sound. In Northern Ireland, the I sound in words like light and time is flattened, making the sound a bit shorter and closer to an sound. This gives the speech its characteristic flavour. For example, light, time, my. In Northern Irish accent, it would be light, time, my. Example sentences. The light in the sky was bright tonight. In Northern Irish, the light in the sky was bright tonight. It was a big mistake to miss the interview. In Northern Irish accent, it was a big mistake to miss the interview. Step 3. Pronouncing TH. Now in Northern Ireland, TH sounds especially at the beginning of words and often becomes or comes across as a sharp T. This is known as a dental plosive. Where the tongue touches the teeth, for example, 3 becomes 3, which is different from the American pronunciation of tree. For example, look at this. 3, tree, tree. You hear a bit of that ch sound mixed in with the th, but you're not going to pronounce the th clearly in 3. I have $3. I have $3. So you hear it's not necessarily tree. Examples. 3, thing, thought. In Northern Ireland, tree, ting, and taught. In the middle of the word. Brother, mother. In Northern Ireland, brother, mother. Sentence examples. This is the 3rd time we've been through this. In Northern Ireland, this is the 3rd time we've been through this. They thanked their mother and father for the thoughtful gift. In Northern Ireland, they thanked their mother and father for the thoughtful gift. Step 4. Pronouncing T followed by a stressed vowel. In Northern Irish, when the T is followed by a stressed vowel, the T is pronounced more sharply and clearly. For example, in table, the T is distinct, unlike the softer T in unstressed words like vegetable. Examples of sharp T. Table, tomato, teacher. In Northern Ireland, you would say table, tomato, and teacher. Examples of soft T. Vegetable, situation. In Northern Ireland, vegetable, and situation. The teacher talked about the important topic today. The teacher talked about the important topic of the day. Step 5. Rhotic R sound. Northern Irish accents are rhotic, meaning that the R is pronounced clearly in all positions, whether at the beginning, the middle, or the end. The R is pronounced with a clear and distinct raw, making it a defining feature of the accent. For example, far, rare, and bright would be pronounced as far, rare, and bright. A few sentence examples. We decided to start the project tomorrow. Rebecca returned early from her trip to a rural farm. Would be, Rebecca decided to return early from her trip to the rural farm. Final examples. The kids are excited to visit their granny on the countryside. We're going to the market later to get some fresh bread. From all of us here at Language Academia, thank you for joining us, and we hope you have a grand and gorgeous day.